In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access the users and accounts. Now click on this gear next to Google, located under Password Management, and select Google Password Manager. Now it's time to tap on Passwords at the bottom left corner and click on the one that you wish to edit. Then enter your screen lock. Tap on Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!